Nabalitaan niyo po ba yung concert ko, yung Biyaheng 20 sa Pilipinas? Kaninang umaga po, na-sold out na po ang day 2 sa Araneta. 2 days, Araneta show for my 20th anniversary. God is so good. And ito po, hindi po sa nagpapaka-humble ako. I would like to share this testimony dahil totoo po ito. It didn't even happen at the height of my hit songs, Ikaw, Chinito, Salamat, Lapit, Hawak Kamay. Hindi ko pa po nagawa na mapuno mag-isa ang Araneta. This is my first ever solo show sa Araneta Coliseum. In His perfect time. Alam niyo po ba, may mga times po nakikita ko na yung mga colleagues ko nagko-concert tas nasa-sold out nila. Meron po akong, hindi po negative na jealousy, yung parang, Lord, sana ako din. Pero kung hindi, Lord, okay lang. Kasi dami mo naman binigay na sa akin. Pero kung sagutin mo, Lord, abay, nandito lamang ako. Pero totoo po yan. Nagsasabi ko, God, kahit hindi, okay lang. Para alam mo lang, God, bilang anak mo, pinipresent ko lang, God, gusto ko to. Pero kung hindi, Lord, okay lang. Kasi you know best. You know what's best for me. To have that kind of surrender and that kind of humility when there's no more ego, there's just that pure relationship with God. When your relationship with God is not just transactional, yung purity ng relationship, ng pagiging ama ng Panginoon sa atin, mas doon natin mararamdaman. Kasi ang magulang, ang ama ay dinidisiplina ang kanyang mga anak. So sometimes there will be a season of discipline. And there are times that God will teach you to wait. And God will teach you to celebrate those people around you that is blessing. Tapos ikaw nag-iintay pa lamang. And that is a precious moment. Because that's fire. When you come out of that, you are gold. You are gold. Hindi ka kayang patibagin ng pride. Hindi ka kayang patibagin ng ego. All you will see is God's goodness. That He is good. So to those who are waiting, wait na merong celebration para sa ibang tao na binibless ni God. And it's okay to have that holy jealousy. God, ako din sana. Pero kung hindi, Panginoon, you know best. And I know that you got me. While you're waiting, idulog mo sa Panginoon yung puso mo. God, i-shake mo yung mga bagay na hindi na dapat nandito. Na nagiging pabigat doon sa destinasyon ko. Let God prune you, shape you into His image while you're waiting. Let Him. It's going to be so precious. It's going to be so beautiful, trust me. In His perfect